that was my auxiliary fan belt when I hit the 4,000 RPM in the highway and then stopped. After changing the belt, auxiliary belt, stopped making noise now. Very noisy. I notice. I don't know where's that leak coming from. Leak as well here. Squirting somewhere else. I don't know. Maybe it's coming from there. When I hit the rev to 3000, I don't know. That is the turbo cold side, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe the hose need tightening, maybe, I don't know, I will try. But I noticed no power. The power is low when I scan it, and then the fault is about the turbo boost, like that. I'm not sure where is the turbo boost. Oh, okay, I'll try to tighten. Maybe that is the reason why leaking somewhere else. I will turn off now. Okay. See, I removed today the cover of my cam belt. I noticed there's a crack on it. That need to look after. This car need TLC. 238,000 miles. Alright, thanks for watching.